Hey guys, it's Sanjalita. Welcome to my channel. Whew, it's been a while since I made an actual YouTube video. I've been posting up stories and stuff on my Instagram, but I haven't had time to do a sit-down video with you guys. Life happened. I know I told you guys we moved in 3 years ago and it was a lot to do. And then something very big happened a few months ago. So I'll be sharing that with you guys as we go. So finally we kind of got the house back together. There's still things, you know, here and there a little bit messy. So, but eventually I'll get back to that. So I wanted to share, I had gotten that ugly virus probably like, I want to say 2 years ago, you know, the COVID virus. I don't know if I could say the name on here, but anyways, I had gotten that like 2 years ago, and then I had gotten it again last summer. So ever since, like, my smell senses have not been working, and my taste, like, I can't taste anything. And what's crazy is, for like a whole year, I've been smelling like fire. I'm running around the house thinking, is something on? Is something burning? And it smells like kind of like a wet wood burning, you know, like campfire kind of fire. So I'm like, what the heck is it? I couldn't figure it out. And I just dealt with it, and I read and I researched online. I couldn't find anything, you know, that I researched, and I couldn't find anything that could, you know, actually help me with, you know, what I was dealing with. I mean, some serious things were coming up, like neurological issues, brain tumor, like what do they call it? Oh my God, it's like the olfactory up here could be damaged, and I didn't hurt myself, so I'm thinking, what could it be? But it started after I had that virus. So anyways, I just finally got tired of it, and I called our closest nutrition store and had asked them if other people were going through this, did anybody come to them with help? I mean, is there any supplements you could take? And she said, oh yeah, it's very common. And I'm like, what? She's like, there's a few things you can do that will probably help you. Sorry, I have a notification. So she goes, you can try it and see if it works. So disclaimer, I am not a doctor, I'm not a nurse, you know, please just take my advice with a grain of salt. I'm just telling you what worked for me. So the girl at the nutrition store, she advised to take a supplement called Alpha-Lipoic acid. She said to take like 1 or 2 of those a day. I just started taking 2. And I guess each pill is about 300 milligrams. And this is the one I ended up getting. So I'm taking 2 of these on top of another thing that I'm doing with that. And it's kind of like training your senses again, your smells. And this I had bought from Amazon. And this is what it's called. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it's MOXÄ or something. So little tubes in there with different senses or smells. They have like a few of them you could order on Amazon. I just got the 4 senses. They do have bigger ones, like, I don't know, 12, 16, but I'm like, let me just start slow. So what this is mine came with clove, smell, lemon, and rose, and eucalyptus. Oh my gosh, didn't I just turn off my notifications? This is so weird. But anyways, so what you do is 40 seconds each nostril, and this opens up like this, and nothing falls out, it's just smell. So 40 seconds each nostril, you're gonna just put it by your nostril, don't shove it up your nostril. And I just kind of close to it, like right about here. I mean, you don't even have to touch it. Like in my case, I don't know what I'm doing, but anyways. So I'm using the clove right now. You can see that. And just each nostril you're gonna do for 40 seconds. Hopefully I didn't say minutes, but it's 40 seconds. Then you go to the next one. Inhale, exhale. So each nostril, 40 seconds, and then you go to the next scent. So this one is lemon. So I was having a hard time smelling lemon, which was so weird. So now I can smell. Smells like lemon. So anyways, 40 seconds each nostril, and you go through however many you bought. So like in my case, I had bought a total of 4 of them. I've been doing this for probably 3 weeks now, and oh my gosh, I can smell again. I can taste food again. That fire smell is gone. And towards the end, you know what was really weird? I started smelling like gasoline, and some of you call it petrol. And I thought, oh my gosh, that is so weird. So yesterday, out of the blue, I started smelling like gasoline. Like I know when it's coming. So I quickly took 2 of these, boom, it was gone. The smell was gone. Otherwise, normally I would have that smell, that smoke smell, the gas smell. I mean, it would last like 2 to 3 weeks. It just became so annoying that nothing was enjoyable. No food, period, was enjoyable. I couldn't even smell what I was cooking. Even the only time the smell went away, which was weird, was when I was laying down and sleeping. I didn't smell any gas, I didn't smell any fire, I didn't smell any petroleum, nothing. So anyways, like I said, I've been using this for about 2 to 3 weeks, and I haven't had any issues again. The smell has not come back. So if you're having the same problem I'm having, you know, maybe you should check these things out. I mean, you don't have to get the same brand, but this is the brand that I used. I like Thorne because they don't have any other fillers in it. So also, I looked up on Amazon. Amazon does carry this brand. So you could also buy it from Amazon, or just go to your health nutrition store, tell her what you're dealing with. I'm sure she's gonna advise you the same thing. If she doesn't, then maybe just try it out. All it is just supplements. It's not gonna hurt you. But like I said, I'm not a doctor, so just don't take my advice. This is what worked for me. Yeah, so anyways, so I do the breathing test, which is what I call it. I do it, well, I'm supposed to be doing it twice a day. So in the morning, I'll do it. And then before I go to bed, I'll do it. But I mean, so far, honestly, I'm healed. I mean, I hope it stays like this forever and that nasty smell doesn't come back, because it was really like ruining the quality of my life. Like I couldn't taste anything. I couldn't even enjoy food. I just want to wrap it up. I just wanted to do a quick video. And by the way, I look a little bit wild because I just came from the gym. So, and yeah, I do wear makeup at the gym. And because I never come straight home. I always have like 4 or 5 errands to do before I come home, and I just don't want to look all nasty and exhausted looking, you know. So anyways, this is what I got from Amazon, and I think it's only like 19 bucks. And then this, I got at the nutrition store, but like I said, Amazon sells it as well. I forgot what the price was. I'm sure it's like probably 20 bucks. So, I mean, 40, 50 bucks, do this twice a day. Take 2 of these once a day, which is what helped me. And like I said, it helped me. So you could try it and see if it works for you. Anyways, so I'm just gonna wrap it up. I'm sorry I'm in my kitchen. We're almost getting the house together. You know, things are not set up yet, but I mean, hopefully in the next few weeks, it will be back to home again. So yeah, it's been a crazy, let's just say it's been a crazy 4.5 months, just because this happened to us twice. And it was just all bad. But anyways, it was nice to talk to you guys again, and I am still here. In the meantime, I am posting some of my son's window washing videos, some of my husband's preaching videos. So we're kind of all on one channel, which I probably should have made a different channel for each, but I mean, it just happened that way. I just started posting there because I didn't want my viewers to think that I just left and bailed on them. You know, I had so much to do, you know, life happened. I just need to teach myself not to stress especially on the things things you can't change. I mean, all you could do is just pray on it, you know, and hope, you know, things get better. But by stressing is not going to change anything. All it does is wears you down, wears your health down. Like in my case, you know, I think I stressed for 3 years straight, and I kept telling people I didn't stress, but we'll get into that on another video. But yeah, it was weird. I think I secretly went into a depression that I didn't even know I was going through. So, but yeah, we'll talk about that. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Like I said, you know, disclaimer, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nurse. Those are the two things that work for me. Go ahead, try it out. Let me know if it worked for you too. If it did, get the word out there, share it to people, you know, so they can get that fixed as well. And, you know, hopefully they don't think it's anything serious and have to see specialists like my doctor trying to send me to a specialist, like an ear, nose, and throat doctor. I mean, that's where they would start. But, you know, I'm the type of person where I try to fix things myself. I don't put my trust too much into doctors. You know, which, you know, they're human beings, you know, and they're doing what they learned, you know. So I thought, let me do my research, let me see what I could find on my own, and then I'll use the doctor as my last resort if this does not help me. But it's helped me so much. So anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go, or else I'm gonna keep talking here. Hope you guys have a very blessed day. I missed you all so much, and I'm sure you all were wondering what happened to me as well, but I am still here, and hopefully we can start making more videos. All right, guys, have a blessed day. Take care. Bye.